Hallways can host slim ironing stations that fold flat to save floor space in small homes. Install a shallow wall cabinet sized to accommodate a collapsible ironing board so the board stores vertically and the cabinet door doubles as a small work surface when open. Use a telescoping ironing arm mounted inside a narrow slot that pulls out and locks at waist height, then folds back completely when done to keep the profile minimal. Add a compact holder for a handheld steam cleaner next to the board, with a padded bracket to prevent rattling and a short heat-proof strip on the cabinet wall for safe placement after quick touch-ups. Fit a fold-down shelf beneath the slot to hold laundry spray bottles and clothespins. Make the shelf support strong enough for 2 to 3 pounds and add a small lip so items do not slide off when folded. Use magnetic holders on the inner cabinet face for the iron and metal tools, with rubber bumpers to protect finishes and a defined slot for the cord so it does not snag. For installation, locate wall studs or use heavy-duty anchors. Set the mounting height at about waist level for the primary user, and test the fold and lock mechanism several times to ensure smooth operation and no obstruction in the hallway traffic path. 3 common issues are lack of clearance that prevents the board from opening fully, instability of the fold mechanism, and cluttered storage that defeats the space savings. If there is insufficient clearance, measure the full extended depth of the board and adjust placement to a longer stretch of hall, or choose a thinner board profile to ensure full extension without blocking door swings. For instability, tighten or replace mounting hardware, add a secondary support bracket or a safety latch, and inspect the hinge plates for wear before each season to prevent sudden collapse. For clutter, use the fold-down shelf combined with magnetic and molded holders to create a dedicated home for each item, so everything returns to its spot after use. And periodically edit stored supplies to keep only what you need. We built BigHomeProjects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors who can install slim hall ironing stations and storage solutions suited to small homes. Our site also helps contractors find work and join a discussion community where people and professionals share tips, installation details, and product recommendations.